Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a magical hair mask which you can use for your dry, dull and frizzy hair and make it soft, smooth and shiny. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So first of all, we'll take a ripe banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, carbohydrates and vitamins, which helps soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity, preventing split ends and breakage. With the help of spoon, we'll mash the banana in a bowl to make a fine, thick paste. Once it's done, it will look like this. Next, we'll take an egg. Eggs are excellent content of fatty acids and biotin, which makes your hair follicles healthy and adds volume to them. And finally, we'll add honey. Honey is a natural humectant. It pulls moisture from the atmosphere into the strands to combat dryness and keeps hair moisturized and manageable. We will take 1 teaspoon of honey and add it in the bowl and mix it well. Apply this mask on my hair. Make sections to apply this. Don't forget to apply it on your scalp and cover your entire hair strand from roots till tips. Once you've applied it on your entire hair, make a bun so that your hair shouldn't mess all around. And don't forget to secure it with a clutcher and leave it for 40 to 45 minutes. And after that, wash it with normal water. Now you can see my hair, guys. It's looking so soft and smooth. I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching.